Hello everyone, Miss Carrie here. I'm thrilled to introduce a new kit designed for your summer projects. The gentle hues, simple everyday patterns, and delightful summertime decorations are going to be so much fun to create with. I recently received this kit from ColorRush Studio, and I couldn't wait to show you what comes in the kit. The July kit is called Sweet Summer, and it's such an adorable collection. Before I share what comes in the kit and my plans for these fun products, I want to let you know that these kits sold out really quickly, so you might see the sold out notice on the website. ColorRush Studio made the decision to have more kits made, but the number is limited and you will need to pre-order them. When you go to the ColorRush site, tap on Join the Kit Club here at the top. On this page, you will see the main kit that I have here, the add-on kit, and some additional acrylics that match the kit. Tap on Join our monthly main kit. This will take you to the site where you can pre-order the Sweet Summer Kit. You can make a one-time purchase or subscribe to the monthly kit at a discounted price. So let's take a look at all the fun patterns in this collection. The colors in this kit are so soft and soothing, aren't they? The florals are lovely, and those popsicles are super fun. This one here says sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat, and life is better in flip-flops. I think this ice cream pattern would be great for theme park photos or shots of your kids with the ice cream truck. I am a bit partial to wood grain patterns, and this one here is going to be perfect for some photos I have of our grandpup sneaking raspberries out of the garden. Wreath backgrounds like this are ideal for those who need a quick layout. Simply pop in your photos, add a title, and you're basically done. This diamond pattern here would look amazing with some stitching, wouldn't it? I think I might give it a try with a couple of different colors of embroidery thread. Of course, there are also simpler patterns in the kit. On the back side of each paper are a collection of basic prints. The bright sunny polka dot would be perfect for some theme park photos that I have. Simple stripes can be used for almost any page. The magenta, green, teal, yellow, and pink coordinate perfectly with those other patterns in this Sweet Summer kit. Simple stripes like this are great for everyday photos. Plaids are some of my favorite to work with, and they pair beautifully with polka dots. This hand-drawn heart pattern is so cute as well. And that final pattern is another large one with ice cream and popsicles. This set of 12 double-sided patterns is a versatile collection. Not only do you have those basic prints, you also have a collection of larger background images that you can use as is or cut apart for embellishments. Speaking of embellishments, let's go ahead and take a look at all the ones that come with this Sweet Summer collection. Each month, ColorRush Studio creates an assortment of items that coordinate perfectly with the monthly kit. One of my favorites is the frazzles and ribbon. I love adding texture to my projects, and these bits of fabric and rickrack borders are so fun to work with. To create titles and storylines, you have a set of thicker stickers. The soft pink with gray outline reminds me of cotton candy. I have a photo that will match these perfectly. The collection also includes a few additional embellishments, acrylics, die cuts, and some charming little dimensional pieces. Let's take these out of the package so that you can see all the fun details. I'll start with the acrylics first. These come with the main kit, but there are also additional acrylics on the ColorRush Studio website that you can purchase separately. I really enjoy working with acrylics, and the add-ons for the Sweet Summer Kit have some great titles that go well with summer photos. How cute are these? Each of these here are a translucent with glitter. The collection includes some sunglasses and a yummy title. I have photos of all the pups munching on popsicles during this heat wave, and I'll be sharing that project in the coming weeks with these popsicle elements. I'm going to bring that word yummy to the camera so that you can see the glitter in there. This title could be used for just about any time of the year. You could pop it on a Halloween page, a Christmas layout, or with a photo of a summer treat. Let's take a look at the fabric flowers. This lovely plaid design and soft colors would be great for summer, but you could use it for an Easter layout as well. They would look super cute with some bows, sequins, or buttons in the center. I am going to take these little cones out of the package next because I want you to see them up close. They are a little thick, but I think they would make a cute banner. The details on the cone are awesome, and that puffy fabric is too fun. You could use these as ice cream cones, cotton candy, or a flower bouquet. Wouldn't they be lovely on a wedding page? All right, let's grab a tray so I can dump out the bits and pieces. These die cuts have similar prints and patterns and phrases to the papers I shared, so you can easily coordinate all of your pages and card projects. The flowers have some amazing watercolor-like details, and the ice cream and popsicles have great colors. There are some larger elements that you can layer on your pages and use as a title or as a journal card, and a few of these have some glitter accents. This one says life is better in flip-flops, and this one summer, summer, summer. I also see some sunglasses and flip-flops for pool and vacation photos, and a few more glittery elements. So are you starting to think about some pages you could make with these? I know I am. In the coming weeks, I'll be sharing 2 projects here on my YouTube channel. I will also be creating a scrapbook page during my weekly live stream using this Sweet Summer Kit. My crafty coffee hour takes place every Thursday afternoon, and I would love it if you joined me. I'll add a link to those events and to this kit in the description below. Not only will I post those project photos to my website and social media, I will also post them in the Color Rush Studio Facebook group. This exclusive group is packed full of inspiring ideas created by the Color Rush design team. Many of them also create videos you will love. I hope that you enjoyed this quick showcase of the new July kit from Color Rush Studio. It's such an adorable collection, and I can't wait to share the projects that I make with you. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification icon so that you don't miss out on these upcoming projects. If you have any questions about this kit, feel free to leave those in the comments below. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.